What is up, you guys? Today we are here with part 3 of rebuilding the Rex Sierra. Right now we're on our way to go pick up the paint for the truck. We're gonna get back and then we also have to fix one little dent that's on the fender that I made by accident. We're gonna fix that. Probably gonna be painting the fenders today. I'm not too sure. I'm gonna see how far we get because we do have a bumper to paint today for a customer. So we're gonna see how far we get. Alright, you guys, so right now we're gonna fix this dent right here because I made this dent by accident. So we're gonna take off the paint right now. We're gonna get it to the bare metal. We have the stud welder over there. We're gonna pull it out as much as we can. We're gonna try to use as less Bondo and putty as possible. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, you guys, so we straightened out the body as much as we can. You can see that it's pretty even now. We're gonna put a little bit of Bondo to cover the low spots. We're gonna let it dry, then we're gonna come back and sand this down and take off all this clear. We're gonna try to get the two fenders painted today. We're not sure if we're gonna get to them, but we're gonna try.
That's good.
Oh shit. Alright, you guys, so we just applied the Bondo right now. The Bondo came out pretty smooth. It doesn't look like we're gonna have to add more Bondo. It looked like it laid out real nice. So we're gonna let this dry up and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna sand it down and we're gonna see if we have like any low spots and that. If we do need more Bondo, we'll apply more Bondo, but if not, we'll just add putty all over this, sand it back down. All right guys, so the Bondo is all dry now. It looks good. We're gonna sand it down. We're gonna feather it with the rest of the Bondo, so let's get to it. So we sanded it down, but we do need to add a little bit more Bondo right here. As you can see, it's a little like low, and we also have this high spot right here that we didn't see, so we're gonna add more Bondo here and here so it comes out real good. We want the fender to look like there's nothing here.
Yeah, because if we don't make it as smooth as we can and flat, when we paint, I don't know if y'all see the paint. Let me show y'all. If you look at it, it looks just like a mirror. And if we don't get it back flat, you're gonna see a bunch of waves, and we don't want that when we finish painting it.
Yeah, we want this thing looking real like glassy. So we spread the Bondo on there nice and then we got this high spot right here. Everything is looking out real smooth. Right now what we're gonna do while this is drying up is I'm gonna scuff all this clear off. All the shiny stuff you're gonna see, I'm gonna scuff it all down so it's gonna be ready for paint. So yeah, let's get started. So this is what we got done today. Right here we just finished laying this Bondo. We went ahead and also scuffed this fender. We took off the clear, so it's gonna be ready for clear and paint right here. Went ahead and also scuffed this hood down. So yeah, we went ahead and scuffed down this fender and hood. They're both are ready for paint and clear. We're gonna go ahead and wrap up for today. Tomorrow we're gonna continue with finishing that body work. See y'all tomorrow in the morning. Alright guys, so it's the next morning and we're just gonna finish off sanding down this Bondo. We're gonna get it smooth, feather out to the rest of the panel. So let's get started. so we sanded down the Bondo. We sand it as smooth as we can. Right now it looks perfect, but we're not gonna know until we spray it with primer. If we have any little imperfections, we're gonna be able to see it with the primer. If it all looks good, then we're gonna sand the primer down, feather it down, and it's gonna be ready for paint. But if it's not, we're gonna have to put putty over it, and that should do. Alright guys, so we sprayed our first coat of primer. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but right here there is a low spot. So now we're not gonna add no more Bondo, we're just gonna add a little thin layer of putty, and that should cover it up. Alright guys, so we finished putting the primer down and the putty. It's looking real smooth. It looks like we're ready for paint, so it looks like we're going to be painting tomorrow. That's going to be it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to remember to subscribe. At 1,000 subscribers, we will be giving $100 away. So we're going to see you guys tomorrow. Peace.